Why did you start running?
Run over and get them, Dalton.
Because we heard the cop sirens. That's why we ran.
Hey.
There wasn't no police or anything.
Okay, Ethan. Go
Yeah.
over and help Dalton with them. Over there.
They're cleaning up? Cleaning up?
Yeah, over there.
She said in the morning.
Okay.
Let's take a picture of it.
There you go, it's done.
I'm making a YouTube video of the
I
fireworks.
just shoot off those bottle rockets. I just shoot off the bottle
YouTube video.
rockets.
Wait, that's all?
Why don't you shoot
That's
off
all there
those
was?
bombs?
Yeah.
So why don't you shoot off those bottle
There was so
rockets?
many more.
Tyler, you
I've already
don't
shot
shoot
off
off
the big
bottle
ones.
rockets.
What the crap, dude?
Is that it?
What the? Oh, and by the way, we just ran from the cops a minute ago. Yeah,
Don't put that on YouTube.
so.
Don't.
I didn't. Apparently, this is not a county.
This is county, Nathan.
Then why were we getting chased by the police?
I don't know, but this is county.
The police.
We're not in the city limits, we're in the county.